Hello everyone, this is Peter with GoodyReader.com, and we have the Poke Pro, and this is going to be an unboxing of this device. We're going to just crack this open and show you guys everything that comes along in the box. This is the first time we've opened this. I've not opened this until now. Very excited. So the box is the same as the Poke, and they do have a sticker that they put to differentiate. And you will notice that if you see our other videos, the specs are really beefed up compared to the regular Poke. For example, this is Android 6, and the regular Poke is 4.4. So feel free to pause the video at any point in time if you want to read those specs. I'll show you right there. I had it the right way the last time, and I keep flipping it around. So that's the box. Let's explore the contents, shall we? Inside the box, you have some documentation. We just got to dig down there and grab it. We'll open it up, show you guys everything that is in each page, because if you guys lose your documentation, there's not really a way for you to find it, essentially. This is your limited warranty card. You can open that up and read that it says limited warranty, and it's in English and Chinese with your corresponding serial number on the back. This is the Quickstart guide. We're just going to open this up in full. Like I said, if you guys lose this, feel free to pause the video at any point in time if you want to read this. And for our Chinese reading and speaking audience, I will show the back. Shows you everything that comes along in the box. Home screen. And touch information. So that is very useful. Hold on to that. Answers a lot of questions. Standard micro USB. They went with the micro over USB-C because it's actually a lot cheaper to produce than USB-C. So you'll see USB-C on the Note line of devices and the Nova even, but you won't see it on this. So looking at the device here, you see there's a very nice design around the side. Next to the screen to the left of the bezel, you see like a 1% grade that slides down towards the screen. I like seeing design elements like that. It's very nice. This is not flush screen and bezel. You do have a physical button there. You have no physical buttons up top or either of the two sides. Everything fun happens downstairs here. So you have a standard micro USB, a status indicator light built in with power button / standby. And Onyx has always been really nice in allowing you to open up your device and replace the battery if you need to. So you can actually remove these two Torx screws, and that will allow you access to the internals of the device. I do not recommend opening it up unless you are a professional. You do have a matte black finish bezel with piano black piping around the sides, and the back is a ever so off blue kind of black metallic looking back, but it is plastic. So this is everything that comes along in the box for the Poke Pro. If you guys want to see any other videos on this and wait for our review video on this and comparisons and everything, go to youtube.com/GoodyReader. And for Goody Reader, this is Peter.